Welcome to your step-by-step guide on fitting the ZQuiet Advance Mouthpiece. Before using the device, make sure to review the use and safety information found in the instruction manual. This innovative device consists of upper and lower trays designed to fit snugly over your teeth. The upper and lower trays are different, so pay close attention to the device markings and diagrams in the instructions. The mouthpiece also comes with adjustable straps. You will notice that the flat side of each strap has a certain number of bumps to identify the strap size. Do not swap out the strap sizes until after you have completed the molding process. We'll cover how to change the straps later in the video. When fitted correctly, the ZQuiet Advance positions the jaw slightly forward to widen the airway enough so that the air moves freely and unobstructed. To begin molding, you'll need a pot for boiling water, tongs, and a timer. We also recommend using a mirror to help fit the mouthpiece, though it is not required. Heat the water to a gentle simmer. While the water is heating, practice positioning the mouthpiece in your mouth, familiarizing yourself with the correct orientation. Lower heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Immerse the device in for precisely 3.5 minutes. Carefully remove it with tongs, shake off any excess water, and wait 15 seconds before touching and inserting into your mouth. Using both hands, orient the mouthpiece to ensure the upper and lower trays correspond to your upper and lower teeth when inserted. Insert the mouthpiece over the teeth, making sure the mouthpiece is centered and the teeth are positioned on the impression material. Once the mouthpiece is in place, bite down firmly to create a deep impression. Hold the mouthpiece in position for 30 seconds for it to fully set. If you find that during the molding process you didn't get a deep impression or proper positioning, before the material sets up, you can reheat the mouthpiece for 60 to 90 seconds and repeat the impression molding process. When fully molded, rinse under cold water. The device is now ready for use. The device comes pre-assembled with the size 1 strap. If you are uncertain of the correct size, increase one size at a time until snoring stops. The instruction book also contains a helpful guideline for the recommended strap size to use based on the type of bite you have. Remove the desired size straps from the strap tree, making sure both straps are the same size. Smooth any remaining burrs at the attachment point to prevent gum irritation. Remove and replace each strap one at a time. To remove the strap, position the strap so that the slots are aligned with the post keys. After removing the strap, set it aside. Attach the new strap by aligning the strap slots with the post keys. Make sure the flat side of the strap goes against the mouthpiece and the rounded side faces out. Once you have completed changing the first strap, repeat the process of removing and attaching the strap on the opposite side of the mouthpiece. The reassembled device is now ready for use. Cleaning your mouthpiece is essential to keep it free of germs and bacteria. After each use, rinse it under warm water. Apply ZQuiet Clean Foaming Cleanser and scrub all surfaces with a toothbrush. Rinse thoroughly and then store it securely in the provided storage case until the next use. Adjusting to your new mouthpiece may take time. Start by wearing it for short periods during the day, gradually increasing as you become more comfortable. Work up to wearing it for longer periods each night until you are sleeping through the night. You may notice some initial jaw discomfort or that it feels out of alignment. This is normal and should disappear with time. Gently massaging the jaw, applying a warm compress, or taking a night off can help resolve this. You're now ready to enjoy quieter nights and restful sleep with your ZQuiet Advance Mouthpiece.